Hello everyone. So we are planning to go on a trip to Maridmulli forest along with Tyson. It has been a long time that we have not gone out with Tyson, and Tyson loves trees. So we thought that we'll take him to the jungle resort and see how much he likes this outing. So we have planned a place where there is a stream inside the resort. He likes to play in water, and also he likes to wander among the trees. So, as you see, he's like quite excited that we have packed our bags. He likes to go out, and it happens every day whenever I'm going to my work. He wants me to take him with me, but it's not quite possible every day. So today we are going out. So I have packed all my luggage along with Tyson's luggage, some clothes for Tyson, food for Tyson, and I have carried this travel bottle for Tyson. So you all must be knowing, the pet lovers must be knowing about this bottle. So this is an easy bottle for travel. So wherein once you open this, water comes out of this very slowly, and you can drink water from here. Okay, chalo Tyson.
Tyson always gets his leash by himself when we go out. He is very excited that we are going out. So here we start our journey. We had to change our car due to some technical problems. It is an 8 to 9 hour drive from Hyderabad to Maridmulli forest. Tyson likes to watch the surroundings while traveling, and he always finds way to look out if his view is blocked by any one of us. He'll jump from one side to other side. Now at this place, Tyson is very confused because of the sudden smog due to which he could not see properly. It has been few hours of traveling, and we would stop for lunch. We just had our lunch, and we took Tyson for a small walk so that he can attend to his nature calls. Tyson seems to be thirsty, and it's time for some water. He likes the trees and is amazed to see all different animals here, something which he does not get to see in Hyderabad. Dogs have motion sickness, so we had to stop several times so that Tyson feels comfortable and doesn't become sick before reaching Maridmulli. Maridmulli is a weekend gateway from Hyderabad. It is situated in the Eastern Ghats, and the jungle is good. You can have a nice 2 days trip there. There are several waterfalls to visit. And the resort where we are going, which is Aranya Eco Resort, is pet friendly, and you can get your pets there. Bamboo chicken is very famous in Maridmulli, where they cook biryani inside a bamboo.
Hello everyone. So I have come to this Maridmulli forest area along with Tyson to see and show him the jungle. He's been very curious seeing all these little monkeys on the way here. Hope he enjoys the forest trip.
We stopped at Sokuleru Vagu viewpoint around 4 p.m. The view was amazing, We spent almost half an hour here. Tyson also seemed to be enjoying the view, as you can see him, but he was more excited after looking at a bunch of small kids there. He is a very human friendly dog. He doesn't like other dogs, but he's very, very friendly with all human beings, and he wants to go play with them, sniff them. He'll even climb over them. So he is like very excited to see those kids. We got to know that these kids also have a pet at their home, but somehow they were slightly scared of Tyson, which he did not realize at first. He trying to be playful with them. But soon he realizes that they are scared of him, and he behaves very well. He remained so calm, and he understood that these kids are scared of him. So you can see how well he is controlling his excitement. Finally, we reach Aranya Eco Resort at Maridmuli. It's the first time that Tyson is walking on a bamboo suspension bridge. We came quick because he was scared over the bridge, but over the next 2 days, he is habituated to it. At night, we had our tent placed in an open space which was at the banks of the stream, and we had a campfire lit. Although Tyson was afraid of the fire, he did not come anywhere close to the campfire, and he was even wondering how are these people so closely sitting to the fire. Tyson was vigilant the whole night. See how he is seeing outside the tent. He is not letting us to close the tent. He wants to observe the activities which are going outside. He hardly slept well for the first few hours, getting up intermittently, but finally you can see him sleeping. See you with the day 2 very soon.